guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this subscription box called Sipsby. They sent me one of these subscription boxes last month and they also sent me one this month. These boxes I get super excited to receive. I actually really enjoyed a lot of my teas that I got last month. I will leave that link in the description box if you want to check out those teas. This matcha type tea is amazing, and when I opened this I actually seen some in here, so which made me even more excited. So this is what it looks like, and as soon as you open it, there is a bunch of teas in here. You get 15 plus cups of tea, and all you have to do to get like teas that you like is that there's a quiz that you take on their website, and you pick out if you want caffeine, no caffeine, certain types of tea, yes or no, all sorts of things like that. So it's really easy. So you get a subscription box made for you, which is really cool. So this is my made for Kristen box. This is the July teas. So I got a Stress Ease cinnamon tea, I got a zesty orange green tea, mint matcha, and supreme matcha green tea. And they are by all different kinds of companies. You can also order their separate packages like of teas on their website as well. But this is what I get. So this is what I got last month too. You get a little thing of reusable tea bags. I think that is really cool because a lot of things are going to like the loose leaf teas, and this is my loose leaf tea. This one is zesty orange green tea by Yudyan Tea, and I chose all of like the really like fun like the lemon orange mint type thing, so I got a lot of that this month, which is really exciting. This one right here is a low caffeine tea, but I think this one is gonna be really good. The next thing is these, I don't know all the names of these, so forgive me if I say these wrong. This is a supreme matcha green, and this is by Pucca, and I got 4 of these. And then this one, I kind of am really thrilled about this one. This one is an organic Stress Ease. It's a cinnamon tea, and I love cinnamon, so I am over the top excited about that. And I got 3 of those. And then I also received this Tipsin matcha mint tea, and I got 5 of these. Oh no, I got 4 of these too, right? Yeah, 4 of these and 4 of these. I was like, that's kind of weird, but I had no idea. So anyways, so yes, you guys, I will leave links in the description box below. So if you are a tea drinker, this is super fun. I think it's $15 a month, and I think that's a great deal. Coupon code down below, so it'll be a little bit cheaper than that. But you guys, that's it. Make sure you check out Sipsby. Again, links in the description box below. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. Thought that we could work it out, but it's no use. I think I'm better off